Hi, everyone. This is Cheri Huber with the Chamber, and I am here to have another Chamber check-in. My Chamber check-in today is sponsored by
LocalMeA, the best of local, your local business and lifestyle source.
Today we have James Taylor with Geoscience Engineering and Testing. How are you doing, James?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing great, doing good. Enjoying this kind of cooler weather, so it's been great.
Yeah. I'm ready for this cool front that they get.
I know, exactly. So tell me a little bit about Geoscience. What do you do? What is it?
Well, Geoscience is a geotechnical, environmental, and materials testing firm.
Oh, wow.
So what that amounts to is basically if you're going to build a structure or a road or anything like that, we would come out first with geotechnical. You're going to do borings, and you're going to do a soil evaluation, and you're going to determine what are your best options to build whatever it is you want to build.
Okay.
And then we would follow that up with, our construction material testing portion, which is kind of like a QA/QC is the best way to describe it. Where we're on the site, we're determining if the soil you're using is good. Mm-hmm. We're determining if the concrete or the materials, structural steel. We do all those inspections and testing, so that in the end, you as a client or as a builder knows that you've got a good product.
Okay. And
you're getting what you're paying for. So it's that last line of defense between the client and the end product, knowing that it's good.
Okay, so not necessarily the structure where it's like, okay, this is hurricane resistant or anything like that. It's all ground.
Yeah, well, it is mostly that. We do a lot of structural steel evaluations, observations, CWI work, bolt inspections. So we are on that end. We don't offer the wind inspections and the hurricane inspections. That's one thing that we don't get off into. But for the most part, it's the materials testing is what we would be doing on site. But the power of a good geotechnical report is something that if you don't have that good initial soils report, then the end product, you're going to see foundation problems.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to see like a roadway. That's when you start seeing roadways fail. You got potholes, you got cracks. So that's basically what our purpose is to ensure that whatever you're planning to build and what you're paying for, that's what you're getting.
So did this just get popular like in the past 20, 30 years? Because I just don't remember I don't remember anyone that I've known ever built and said, oh, I need to get my soil tested. So, or is it been around obviously forever? And
it's been around for a long time.
Okay.
You've seen it mainly starting out on like TxDOT. A lot of what we do is engineered and designed, and specifications are designed through TxDOT.
Okay.
Now there are nationwide, worldwide entities that set up they call ASTMs, and so any product that's made for construction, there's an ASTM for it that determines how it should be placed and how it should be tested. And that's what everybody goes by. Okay. So you have this industry standard across the board where everybody knows what they're supposed to do and how it's done. And so that's what we all base it, what we do off of.
Gotcha. Well, that's exciting. So it seems that you're not really specialized because there's so many people building out there. What would be a good referral for the chamber for you? I mean, what could we help you with our membership?
Mostly, and this is something that would probably be more apt to the chamber, would be a referral like a home builder.
Okay.
Or even an individual who's going to build their own home, and they want that fail safe. That this is going to be a good home. It's going to last me 40 years.
Yeah, so that's something that Kingwood needed back in 1972 when we were building on a swamp.
Right, exactly. And unfortunately, this part of the world, this part of Texas, we have some the worst soil conditions you could ask for.
We do.
In Montgomery County, you have a silty, sandy material that's it doesn't have a lot of cohesiveness to it, and it's tough to build on. And the further south you get into a really bad clay. We don't have like Austin and San Antonio where they have all the rock and all this good soil to work with. So there's a lot of soil engineering that goes into building here. And if that soil engineering is not correct, you're going to know it fast. When you walk into a home and you see the cracks around the windows, you see the crack in the sheetrock, it's foundation issues. That's 99% of what has happened is it wasn't engineered correctly or it wasn't built correctly.
Right. So you do a lot of residential and commercial.
We do. Residential is kind of our backbone. That's
good to know.
That's what Geoscience, kept in business for so long doing. And we're one of the few labs left that still does residential. But yes, commercial work. We do a lot of commercial work. We do a lot of public infrastructure. We work for pretty much all the commissioners here in Montgomery County and all the surrounding counties, Harris County, Brazoria, Galveston. We do a lot of public infrastructure work, but we still lean on that backbone of that residential and commercial.
Oh, well, that's great to know because that's what's going on up here in Montgomery County is lots of residential, along with some commercial, but the residential part of it up just in our little corner is huge. So
that 59 and 99 corridor up there, you guys already see it now, but the future over there is just the possibilities are endless, and it's going to explode.
It is. That's why we're proud to be EMC, and we hope you are too.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
Well, we appreciate you spending some time with us today, and definitely being part of the chamber. I know you were coming to everything, doing everything, and then it just kind of went to a halt. And we appreciate you showing up to the virtual events that we have. And
I'm looking forward to the next time we can all actually get together.
Definitely, same here. Well, thanks again, and hopefully we'll be seeing you soon.
Well, thank y'all, and have a great day.
All right, thanks, James.
LocalMeA, the best of local, your local business and lifestyle source.